Isaac Newton, one of the most influential scientists in history, made groundbreaking contributions in physics, mathematics, astronomy, and philosophy. Born on January 4, 1643, in Woolsthorpe, England, Newton's early life was marked by hardship. His father died before he was born, and his mother remarried, leaving him in the care of his grandmother. Despite these challenges, Newton showed an early aptitude for science and mathematics. At the age of 12, he was sent to the King's School in Grantham, where he developed an interest in the scientific method. His academic journey continued at Trinity College, Cambridge, where he would eventually formulate his theories on calculus, optics, and the laws of motion and universal gravitation. One of the most famous anecdotes about Newton's life involves the falling apple, which supposedly inspired his theory of gravity. While sitting in the garden, he observed an apple falling from a tree and began to ponder why objects fall towards the earth. This led him to formulate the inverse square law of universal gravitation, which states that every particle of matter in the universe attracts every other particle with a force proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. Newton's work in optics included the study of white light and the discovery that it could be decomposed into a spectrum of colors using a prism. He also built the first practical reflecting telescope, which allowed for clearer and more efficient observations of the night sky. Despite his scientific achievements, Newton was also known for his complex personality. He had a tendency towards isolation and often clashed with other scientists of his time, including Robert Hooke and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. Newton's final years were spent as Master of the Royal Mint, where he made significant contributions to the reform of England's coinage system. He was knighted by Queen and in 1705, becoming Sir Isaac Newton. Newton died on March 31, 1727, and was buried in Westminster Abbey, leaving behind a legacy that would shape the future of science for centuries to come.